Hey guys, welcome to my first ever trolling video. And I know it's probably gonna have crappy volume once I do this. But it's only because that my other microphone died and I had to use my old one. So it's just kinda crappy. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can, like not to disturb my dad or anything. So yeah, let's start trolling. Let's see. I don't even know if anybody's on. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, Daniel's on. Okay, now I'm gonna take a. Come on, hurry up, you idiot! Please take your time. Please don't follow me. No, I don't like this. It's hard. Okay, I'm just freaking out. What if he finds out it's a troll and he's like, bleh? I used to Skype with him, but I can't anymore, so. Oh, man. No, guys, Mango 781 would never do anything like that. She's my BFF. Oh my gosh, what if he's like, no, it's not true? I think it's gonna be Jay. Oh my god, you freaking butt cheek. Let's put some music in the background. Yeah, she gets hacked. So, yeah. Yeah, if you watch my other videos, then I didn't get my Skype on. That's actually pretty loud. Okay, we'll return after the short thing. Oh, okay. Let's do this after short thing of whatever. Okay, we're back, and we're gonna troll. Okay, that was a complete fail of trolling. There's a Veronica. Hi. Okay. Okay, I'm ending the video, and I'm once again here with Dino Bubbles, me, LPS Factor 111, and Mango 71. Dino Bubbles does have a channel. His name is Dino Bubbles AJ. Please subscribe to him. He did give a giveaway, but Okay. Yeah. So, bye guys, and then go delete your channel. And hope you will like this video. If you really like it, favorite and like and subscribe for more videos. And I will be doing like maybe an antler giveaway or something because I got some trusty friends that are willing to give me some rares if I give away some. Somebody just spammed me a clover balloons. Like, what are you thinking, woman? Okay. Okay, they're gonna say bye. Okay, bye guys.